Hello, today I'm going to show you to adjust the time in daylight savings and all those settings from an aftermarket display for Kenwood. So first make sure your vehicle's powered on, which this is, and then your display is all powered on. And then from here, we go to menu. This menu button should open options. We'll go to setup, and then user interface. And then we'll scroll down till we get to time format. If you want it 12 hours or military time, 24. Your clock here, you can adjust this way by clicking on it. And you can have it auto sync, or you can manually adjust things as well. I'll leave it auto sync. And then here you can adjust daylight savings if you have that currently or not, which I do where I am. And then you can change your time zone here. But I hope this was helpful, and it just auto saves as you go. But yeah, I hope it's helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.